Here's how to convert HEIC to JPEG. That's that JPEG file extension. Now you can do both JPG and JPEG with this app called ConvertSave, which is an app that I actually created. It's an image, video, and audio file converter for Windows and Mac. All you have to do is click and drag whatever photos you want into ConvertSave and then select your output. Like I said, you can do JPEG, but also JPEG. So depending on which file extension you need, you can hit that and then convert. It converts and saves back to where the original images came from. I don't know about you, but I was talking to my brother, who's a software developer and helped me develop this, about file conversions. And well, I'm really tired of going to random sketchy websites to do all my file conversions. So I asked him if there was a way that we could create something that you could just drag and drop on your desktop. It doesn't upload or download to anywhere. It works directly on your computer, Windows and Mac, and you can convert video and audio and image files really quickly and easily. And he was like, yeah, we can make that. So we made ConvertSave, and we're working on adding even more features, some more advanced features, so you can really control these conversions and how the output looks. I mean, we can do resizing, we can do recoloring, we can do, different bitrate for video and all this different stuff, and make sure that you can really control exactly how you want your conversions to be. And we'll basically default to like the closest one-to-one conversion we can possibly get to, sometimes exactly the same quality, just in that other format. And so this is ConvertSave. You can check it out with the link in the description down below, or I'll leave a pinned comment down there as well. Hopefully you guys find it as a utility that is very useful for you. It's definitely my number one way to convert files now. So it's really quick and easy. Recently, since we're looking at HEIC, I wasn't sure how to get, I think it was my license, so like the front and back of my license uploaded to like a state website or something. And I thought, how do I do this? How do I do this? Do I scan it in? And I realized I could just take a photo of it on my phone, front and then back, and airdrop it to my Mac, and then use ConvertSave to create a PDF out of that. And there were HEIC photos. So you can do HEIC to a multi-page PDF as well. And that worked perfectly fine. And it was so fast, and then I could just upload it. So ConvertSave is becoming something that I personally use and utilize, and it's always on my desktop. And so we're going to keep working on this thing and make it even more powerful and more useful to you. I'm rambling now though. So, hey, I appreciate your support. If you go check it out, let us know what you think. If you need any help, team@convertsave.com. I'll probably answer you, or Hunter, my brother, will answer you. But that's how you can convert HEIC to JPEG on Windows and Mac. I'll see you guys in the next one.